Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. OnePlus have started rolling out April SOTA update for OnePlus smartphones, and now I feel that OnePlus should stop this program which is of SOTA update. Basically, if you are new to OnePlus, SOTA update actually updates your system applications by bringing new features and changes. Other than that, it does not do anything. So in this video, we'll talk about April SOTA update and what all changes it brings on the table for OnePlus smartphones. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here on the table, I've kept two phones. Towards the left hand side, we have OnePlus Nord 4 and towards the right hand side, we have OnePlus 12. Because I haven't updated the OnePlus Nord 4 to the latest SOTA update, you can see I already have an update which is the SOTA update. I've just installed it. I just need to tap on restart and my device will be updated. Though here on OnePlus 12, I've already updated the device. Like if I go to about section, here you can see this is the version of SOTA update. This is the main OS update version and this one is the SOTA update version. On this device, if I show you, you can see version is different, which is V5. Here we have V60. So if you want to know about SOTA version, you need to cross check these alphabets and numbers. And by the way guys, OnePlus have started rolling out April update for OnePlus Nord 4. But it does not bring any kind of new add-ons. The update size is 383 MB. If you take a look at the changes, it says integrated April security patch to enhance the security. So there's nothing new being added on OnePlus Nord 4 with the latest update of OxygenOS 15. And now guys, before moving ahead, we have around 84% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you guys find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. Now let's talk about all the changes what OnePlus brings on the table with this SOTA update. And as I said before, that OnePlus needs to stop this program because OnePlus can make changes to these applications in the system update itself. Here if you take a look at the changelogs, one changelog layer to weather application is not highlighted. That means the changes what they have mentioned for the weather application that they have already done with the proper system update, which was recently released, that was March update. That's the reason these changelogs are not shown like how other changes are shown. And I also cross-checked with the other application version. On both the devices, version is exactly same. Now first let's start with the first change, which is layer to Photos application. So here it says allows you to switch to different application while using AI editor feature. And yes guys, I did test out, so let me show you. We have a similar photo here. So what I'll do, I'll just tap on edit, tapping on AI editor, and we'll remove this object. I'll just highlight once, and once it is done, I'll just switch to a different application. For example, let's go to weather application and system update section on OnePlus Nord 4. And now if I switch back to gallery application, or you can say photos application, here you can see on OnePlus 12 it has removed the object, but on OnePlus Nord 4 the object have not been removed. So this is one change under photos application what you'll see, but it's kind of useless feature because if you're using AI it doesn't take much of time and there is no requirement to switch to a different application. Now talking about the other change which says the device model name in watermark can be removed or customized, and trust me, I did not find this option anywhere on my OnePlus 12 with this SOTA update. So let's open up another photo and you can see we have the watermark here of OnePlus 12. If I go to watermark section, and it doesn't matter whatever frame I'm using. I tried with multiple frames. So let's take example of Hasselblad. Tapping on this edit icon, you can see we don't have any option to change the model name. So this is the model name, and even if I tap here, we don't have any option to change. I did try out all the options including custom, but I did not get the option to remove or customize the model name. If you guys are aware, do let me know in the comment section below if it is possible. Then moving on to the next change, which is layer to phone manager application. First, if you take a look at the application version, which is slightly upgraded. Previously it was 15.21.1, now it's 15.21.3. And the first change says data and battery usage information is now available in the app management page. And this change what they have mentioned was already there. So if I open up the phone manager application, if I go to app management, and here you can see we already had these options with the previous SOTA update. I don't know why they have mentioned this change. Then they say improve the design of start page of phone manager to make it easier to use. So if we go to the start page of phone manager, here I did not see any changes. One change what you will see that the description is missing for the app management after updating to the latest SOTA build. Other than that, almost everything remains same. I don't see any new look. If they consider this as a new look, then good job OnePlus. And last change under phone manager, the cleanup suggestion page now loads faster. So let's open up phone manager, tapping on cleanup storage, and let's see which loads up faster. There's hardly a difference of 1 second. Now let's talk about the last change, which is layer to weather application. So here if we go below, you can see they have mentioned some changes which says improve the design of icons for rearranging and deleting cities. So here I did not find any kind of changes. It was exactly same what I have seen previously. There are no changes to be seen here. And if you see the next change which says temperature, wind scale and visibility retains default units after changing the languages. So here in India, we generally use kilometer and degree Celsius instead of miles. But if you change the settings of region, for example, I'll select United States. And once I select United States, if I now open the weather application, you'll see that country's default units will be automatically applied. Here you can see it's turned into Fahrenheit. And if you scroll down, kilometer have been turned into miles. So this is the change. And after that, they say replaces the wind speed with a scale number to make it easier to understand. Here I did not see any kind of changes. So guys, these are the changes what OnePlus brings on the table for OnePlus smartphones with the April SOTA update. You guys let me know in the comment section below. Do you guys find these SOTA updates helpful, or OnePlus should just continue with the regular updates and they can make changes in the applications with that update itself? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.